Hi everybody, I am Dr. Sivashankar, Department of Economics, Guru Nanak College. Today we are going to study about the unemployment versus voluntary unemployment. Okay, what is meant by unemployment or what is meant by voluntary unemployment? There is a huge difference between the two terms. Now, first we are going to take a look on what is unemployment. Unemployment is a condition in which skilled and able individuals do not get gainful jobs at a decent wage. Otherwise, unemployment is a situation where a person actively searches for a job and is unable to find a job or find the work. Okay, which means I am willing to do the work. I have a knowledge or I have the skill to do the work. I also studied and I also a capable person for a particular job and I am willing to do the job even though I could not able to get the perfect job for me. Means that person is known as unemployment or that type of category is known as unemployment. There is a unemployment in both rural areas and urban areas. Generally in rural areas, seasonal unemployment occurs. What is meant by seasonal unemployment? You can know the seasonal fruits, but what is meant by seasonal unemployment? Generally in rural areas, there are highly dependence on agriculture. You know very well, India is a agriculture country only. Particularly we are talking about rural areas means most of the peoples are highly dependent on agriculture sector only. Agriculture is a nature dependence sector, highly depends on nature only. So, it depends on monsoon, it depends on water and so on. Okay. Now, assume that agriculture is successfully they cultivate the paddy, wheat or any crop. Once he cultivated, after the 3 months, they want to give some rest to the land. Then only that land will produce much more crops or that land will get the strength to yield next time. So that voluntarily 3 months, minimum of 3 months or 2 months, they want to give a gap to the land. At that time, what will happen? Who depends on that agriculture sector? They didn't get the job. They become a unemployment. So that gap is known as seasonal unemployment. In urban area is also we have a unemployment. That type of unemployment is highly depends on education. Okay. If available job is only for PG means degree holders, otherwise +2 or unskilled labor only means ultimately they are belongs to unemployment category. Okay. Now we are going to study about voluntary unemployment. Before that, to better understand the unemployment situation, I will post some clippings for your better understanding. You go through that one.
You may go, Mr. Raghuvaran. Sir, plan?
Good marks, good percentage, but no job.
வருஷமா ஏறாத கம்பெனி இல்லை, பார்க்காத ஆள் இல்லை, ஒரு பொட்டி கடை கட்ட கூட சான்ஸ் கிடைக்குமா? சான்ஸ் கிடைச்சா தானே ஏதாவது ப்ரூவ் பண்ண முடியும்.
Or you see the clippings? Now, I hope that you understand the concept far betterly. Okay? Now, we go to voluntary unemployment. It's a very interesting unemployment. Okay? Which means there is a job for you, but you are not ready to engage that job. That is known as voluntary employment. For example, I give some sentences for that consideration. The voluntary unemployment refers to the situation when the worker deliberately chooses not to work because of a low scale or not able to find out the suitable employment for him, or there is no any proper reason, but that person is not ready to do the job. The voluntary unemployment also gets created when the worker is neither willing to work nor searches for a job. This situation is known as voluntary unemployment. For this also, I provide some clippings for your better understanding.
மச்சா மெட்ராஸ்ல ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஒருத்தர் இருக்கா
மெட்ராஸ் மட்டும் வேணாம் மச்சி, அங்க வெயில் ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்திடா. எப்படிதான் மனுஷன் அந்த ஊர்ல இருக்கானோ? ஐயோ என்னால முடியாதுப்பா.
ஆமா அங்க கொஞ்சம் வெயில் ஜாஸ்தி தான். ஏண்டா மதுராந்தகத்துல ஒரு கெமிக்கல் ஃபேக்டரி இருக்கு.
ஸ்கின் அலர்ஜி மச்சி 3 தலைமுறையை பாதிக்குமா? பேப்பர்ல படிச்சேன். நாம பண்ண தப்புக்கு நம்ம புள்ள குட்டிங்கெல்லாம் கஷ்டப்படணுமா? நீ சொல்லு.
வேற ஏண்டா இந்த மார்க்கெட்டிங் வேலை
நாய் பொழப்புடா.
பொழப்பே இல்லாம இருக்குது. நாய் பொழப்பு எவ்வளவு மேலு. சரி டிரைவரு
உயிருக்கு உத்தரவாதம் இல்லடா.
கண்டக்டரு
செல்ற பொழப்பு மச்சி.
இந்த பியூனு எடுபுடி
மச்சான் எனக்குன்னு ஒரு தகுதி இருக்குடா.
ஓ உங்க தகுதிக்கு நீங்க சினிமாவில் நடிகர் ஆயிரீங்களா?
ரஜினி, கமல், விஜய், அஜித், விக்ரம், சூர்யா ஹெவி காம்படிஷன் மச்சி.
அவங்களுக்குள்ளதான காம்படிஷன். இவனுக்கு என்ன பிரச்சனை? இந்த அரசியல்
ஐயோ சான்ஸ் இல்ல மச்சி.
டேய் என்ன மாதிரி சலூன் கடை வச்சுக்கிறியா?
மச்சான் உன் பொழப்ப எப்படா நான் கெடுப்பேன்?
இப்போ மட்டும் என்னடா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க? எறாகையா.
How is the clippings? Are you enjoyed? Yeah. So I hope that once again you easily understand the voluntary unemployment. I repeat, the voluntary unemployment is when the person decides not to participate in the labor market. That's it. That is known as voluntary unemployment. Okay? Thank you once again. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel Guru Bodhi Economics. Thank you once again.